I do not fear you or any man, furiously answered Yudhishthir. Play on if you please. Once more the stakes were named. Step by step, Yudhishthir lost the whole of his vast wealth and all his estates with the cattle and sheep upon them. His brothers sat sullenly watching, but they did not dare to interfere. So now Duryodhan was trying to instigate Yudhishthir. So he says that maybe you would like to go with your friend, you would like to go with Vidur, uh, you know uh, but Yudhishthir was very furious. He was very angry. Furiously का मतलब angrily. He was very furious. He was very. So he says that I don't fear you. मुझे तुमसे डर नहीं लगता है. I would play on if you please. I would like to play. So again he puts a huge sum of his wealth on stake. He puts vast wealth and his estates, his cattle and sheep, everything on stake. And his brothers, they were sitting, very dully or sullenly. They were not saying anything, and they did not even interfere with, between Yudhishthir and Duryodhan. Though they were not happy with what was happening, but they did not interfere. Great king, mocked Shakuni, you have surely nothing left now. Let us play no more. Now Shakuni again, he makes fun of Yudhishthir and he says, since you have lost everything, let us play no more. अब तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी नहीं रहा है तो अब हम और नहीं खेलेंगे because you have lost everything. Yudhishthir sat silent for a moment, then he looked up with flashing eyes. If it is my fate to lose all, so be it, he said, but it may be that fortune will favor me at last. I stake my kingdom against all your previous winnings. So Yudhishthir, he sits silent for a moment. थोड़ी देर के लिए वो सोचता है and he thinks that if it is my fate, अगर मुझे सब कुछ हारना ही है तो ठीक है, ऐसे ही सही. Maybe in the end, fortune favors me, किस्मत मेरा साथ दे दे. And then he puts his kingdom on stake to win back all those things that he had already lost. Right? He puts his kingdom on stake. He threw the dice 2 4s. Shakuni beat him by 1. Like a trapped animal, he gazed wildly around. Then his eyes rested on his brothers. See, rogue, he cried, on the princes are jewels worth crores. All these I wager for my kingdom. Once more, Shakuni won. Again, now he threw the dice 2 4s. वो फिर से डाइस फेंकता है, दो बार उसके 4 आते हैं और शकुनी फिर से जीत जाता है जस्ट फॉर विद 1 मार्क. ही विन्स अगेन. अब वो एक ट्रैप्ड एनिमल मीन्स जो फंस चुका होता है जब एक एनिमल, तो उसकी तरह वो बिल्कुल घबराया हुआ वो एक इधर उधर देख रहा है वाइल्डली, एक गुस्से में इधर उधर देखता है. तो उसको क्या दिखता है, उसकी जो नज़र है वो अपने भाइयों के गले में जो गहने उन्होंने पहने हुए हैं जो करोड़ों रुपए के हैं उन पे पड़ती है, और फिर वो उनको भी स्टेक पे लगा देता है टू विन बैक हिज किंगडम. बट वंस अगेन शकुनी विन्स. Now Vidar, hearing that Yudhishthir had staked and lost even his kingdom, came back into the hall once more and begged Dhritarashtra to stop the match. But Dhritarashtra, who was eagerly straining his ears to hear the word of the gamblers, only said impatiently, "No more, brother, do not interfere." और जब विदुर को ये पता चलता है कि युधिष्ठिर जो है वो सब कुछ हार चुका है, उसने अपना किंगडम भी लूज़ कर दिया है, तो फिर वो वापस हॉल में आता है और फिर से एक बार ही ट्राइज टू कन्विंस धृतराष्ट्र दैट ही शुड स्टॉप द मैच इमीडिएटली. बट जो धृतराष्ट्र है ही इज़ नॉट रेडी. उसके जो कान है वो सिर्फ गैम्बलर्स की आवाज़ ही सुनना चाहते हैं. सो ही सेज प्लीज़ डू नॉट इंटरफेयर एनी मोर विदुर, सो यू प्लीज़ गो. तो कहते हैं तुम और इंटरफेयर मत करो, यहाँ से जाओ. युधिष्ठिर turned on Shakuni like a wolf at bay. I still have wealth more precious than gold, and he declared, I will pay you with my brothers. Nakul, I stake for my kingdom. Once more the dice fell against him. curse on you, he cried. Here is Sahdev. I stake Sahdev against Nakul and my kingdom. He lost again. A murmur went round the pavilion, but no one spoke. Now, युधिष्ठिर जो था अब वो एक वुल्फ बन चुका था. वो शकुनी को किसी भी हालत में हराना चाहता था और अपना किंगडम वापस लेना चाहता था. एंड ही सेज आई हैव स्टिल थिंग्स मोर प्रेशियस दैन गोल्ड. एंड ही डिक्लेयर्स कि मैं नकुल को स्टेक पे लगाता हूँ टू विन बैक माई किंगडम. बट अनलकीली अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही लूजेस. फिर वो सहदेव को दाव पे लगा देता है टू विन बैक नकुल एंड हिज किंगडम. बट ही अगैन लूजेस. अब सारे फुसफुसाते हैं जो वहाँ पे आस पास में बैठे हुए हैं in the pavilion, but nobody dares to speak. Nobody dares to stop this, dares to stop this play, this unfair game. Now at last, Yudhishthir's proud head dropped on his breast. He was very weary. Shakuni saw that he must be roused again to anger, and he made cruel, cunning speech. अब फाइनली जो युधिष्ठिर का घमंड था वो टूट चुका था. वो बिल्कुल सिर झुकाकर बैठा हुआ था. पर शकुनी ने देखा कि इसको जो है वापस गुस्सा दिलाना पड़ेगा टू ब्रिंग हिम मोर इंसल्ट, टू पूरी तरह से उसको हराने के लिए इसको और इंसल्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट ही अगैन रेजेस एंड ही अगैन स्टार्ट्स टू प्ले. और इसीलिए वो एक क्रूअल और कनिंग स्पीच देता है. फिर से उसको टॉन्ट करने लग जाता है, उसको मॉक करना शुरू कर देता है. Nakul and Sahdev are mine, he said, but after all they are sons of Madri, not the sons of Kunti. Perhaps you dare not risk Arjun and Bhim. Those words stung Yudhishthira like a poisoned arrow. You black-hearted villain, he cried. How dare you seek to divide me from those I love? I despise your trick. I stake the hero Arjun to win back my brothers and my kingdom. The dice fell and Shakuni won. You have one brother left, he said. You will stake the mighty Bhim? I stake him, answered Yudhishthir, and Shakuni won again. Now Nakul and Sahdev, Shakuni says that Nakul and Sahdev, they are mine. After all, वो तो मदरी के बेटे हैं, तो तुम you probably do not love them as much as you do, as much as you love Arjun and Bhim. They are not the sons of Kunti. तो ये जो words थे वो युधिष्ठिर को बहुत जहर की तरह लगते हैं. तो he says कि how dare you say this and how dare you divide me from those I love. I love my brothers equally. So he says that now I stake Arjun to win back Nakul and Sahdev, but again he loses the game. और फिर वो भीम को भी स्टेक पे लगा देता है to win back all his brothers, and obviously Shakuni wins that game also. So he has finally lost all his brothers. You have nothing left now, great king, he said. Our game must end. No, shouted Yudhishthir. I stake myself. One more the dice was thrown. A 2 and a 3 for Yudhishthir, a 5 and 6 for Shakuni. So Shakuni says कि अब तो तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी नहीं रहा है, great king. Now we must end. Yudhishthir still has some portion of his maybe positive attitude or pride left in him. So he says no, I will play. I stake myself now to win back all my brothers. But होता क्या है कि वो फिर से डाइस फेंकता है. 2 और 3 like 5 युधिष्ठिर के आते हैं और 5 और 6 11 for Shakuni, and Shakuni wins it again. The spectators were silent for this was tragedy. अब देखने वाले चुप थे क्योंकि एक तरह से tragedy थी. The Pandavas were slaves, but Shakuni's mean cruelty was still unsatisfied. You do wrong to lose yourself, O king, he jeered. Surely you have wealth still greater than you have lost. Have you not stake worthy to win back your brothers, your kingdom and all your wealth? Have you not the peerless Queen Draupadi? Now, पांडव जो थे वो स्लेव्स बन चुके थे, बट शकुनी जो था वो अभी भी उसका बदला या उसकी जो बुरी नीयत थी वो ख़त्म नहीं हुई थी. वो स्टिल एज quite cunning and very. So it still says that you still have somebody, you still have something more, that you can put on stake and win back everything. You have Queen Draupadi. The Pandavas, who had sat motionless while their very freedom was staked and lost, stirred restlessly. अब ये सुनकर जो पांडव थे वो डेफिनेटली दे फील एंग्री एंड दे वर स्टर्ड, वो हिल गए थे अंदर से. It seemed that last they must rebel against the elder brother whom they loved so well, but it was too late. Yes, hissed Yudhishthir in a fierce low voice, glaring at his tormentor. I stake my beloved wife. From the hall came loud cries of shame. The wise old Bhisham hid his face in his hands. His fellow counselors' heads were sunk in despair. अब उनके जो ब्रदर्स थे, वो जो सारे ब्रदर्स थे, they definitely wanted to stop his brother from all this nonsense, and but it was too late. युधिष्ठिर जो है वो अपनी लो वॉइस में शकुनी को घूरते हुए अपने टॉर्मेंटर को कहता है कि यस आई पुट माई वाइफ ऑन स्टेक. अब सारे हॉल में से शेम की आवाज़ें आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. और जो भीष्म है वहाँ पर, वो जो है अपना सिर अपना चेहरा छुपा लेता है. And his fellow counselors' heads were sunk in despair, but still Dhritarashtra was silent, his blind, eager face. He stretched forward toward the fatal table. Shakuni threw first a 3 and 5. Yudhishthira took up the box. With trembling hands, the dice fell 6 and 1. Draupadi was a slave. सब अपना शर्म के मारे अपना सिर झुका लेते हैं, but nobody speaks anything, nobody says anything. एंड युधिष्ठिर शकुनी पहले डाइस फेंकता है, उसके 3 and 5 टोटल 8, एंड युधिष्ठिर के आते हैं 6 and 1 टोटल 7. एंड द्रौपदी वॉज अ स्लेव. द्रौपदी भी स्लेव बन जाती है, एंड रेस्ट इज़ हिस्ट्री. वी ऑल नो व्हाट हैपेंड विद द्रौपदी. थैंक यू.